biggest problem I had turkey hunting this year was a deer. Kept walking up on me. They get 20 feet from me and then see me or smell me or something, you know, and start blowing, freaking out. Blowing the cover, man.
Were you like, you bastard, if this was November?
Right. Deer season, you would be found.
I mean,
hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. I am back at the pond that I was at last weekend, but this time I am camping and it is a beautiful day. It's a little hotter this weekend and not as much of a breeze, but I'm back at the camping location. I do have a couple of friends with me, my usual camping buddies, and they're over there and over there relaxing. We have a setup and we're just going to enjoy this. We're going to enjoy this spot. We also I'm going to be making a steak over the UCO flat pack grill, and yeah, just doing a nice overnighter here. We're treading lightly on on nature. We may not even have a fire, I don't know, but I did some droning of the pond, so we will check back with you here in a little bit. This is like the third trip I've made back to the truck, but it's nice that it's so close. Ooh, it's hot one today. Okay guys, so it's been kind of a boring day of just sitting around. We're getting ready to make dinner, or at least I'm getting started. I have the UCO flat pack grill and fire pit. And what?
Was that a dig on John and I?
At least I'm getting ready to make a fire.
No, you said it was a boring day. I mean,
boring day.
You got great company like this.
Okay guys, it's been a pretty boring day. So I'm going to cook a steak on that, and I've got some charcoal going. I'm going to wait till it gets nice and white and hot, and then we're going to cook a ribeye on that, and we're going to enjoy some good meat in our mouth. So
mashed taters.
And some mashed taters. I'm not doing the 4 cheese tonight. Tonight I have the Idahoan butter and herbs. So
that's butter and herbs.
Butter and herbs. So we're going to do that tonight, and the steak. It's going to be a good night. And so I'll come back later when this is ready to get started. Okay, we got our steak ready. We got it spiced up, ready to put on the grill. I'm just waiting for the coals to get a little whiter. And we'll get started. Let's see what Brian's doing here.
We got some of the
The faux cheese.
got the 4 cheese kicking. Get the New York strip
Man, look at that.
all marinated up,
That is
cubed
marinated.
up. Peppers, onions, mushrooms.
What are you going to cook that on? Your canister?
Right here, man.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna try it out. I'm not gonna say that it's gonna work perfectly. But
Well, I mean, if my coals are still hot, you can
right, yeah. If this doesn't work, we'll be using your coals.
piggyback on that.
Right?
Dang, I got to place it caddy. I got to place it diagonal.
That's a long meat over there.
That's what I see you said. Hallelujah.
Say, oh wait, 3, 5, and 7 ounces.
That's kind of odd.
And it paid for you to eat on it.
Right. Supper time. Supper time.
It's my favorite time.
The thing about this is, like, I gotta get it set just right here so I can leave it alone for a little bit. And get that good sizzling to it. All right, looks like it's coming along nicely. I'm gonna leave it on here for a while. It's pretty thick steak, so we gotta turn it turned it every so often.
Turned it?
Turned it, but yeah, I'm really liking the way that I'm trying to film over here. Could you shh? I'm really liking the way that this is turning out with this little flat pack stove. And Brian is, I'll show you what he's doing. He's actually cooking over his canister.
I'm giving this a shot. Total experimental. So.
Yeah. And John cooked over his whisper light. Look at that. That looks good.
This is what ultralight backpacking looks like, people. Don't
Obviously.
believe with all the other YouTube channels you see all these guys. when
Yeah,
they're
they
like,
don't know anything.
Yeah, they got all this lightweight stuff. Bull crap.
This is where it's at right here. All right, we'll keep turning this until it's done. I gotta get my potatoes on. Gotta get it done. All right. What you know about cooking on a campfire or a little grill? What you know? You got it done, son. Now we're gonna eat it. Tell you what, that was a good meal.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the first time I've like done anything like that, but I knew I could get away with it just coming up here. I know this thing will work.
You could probably get away with that at Frog Pond too.
Oh yeah. Or Pine Grove, anything like that,
Yeah.
especially in the winter.
All right, guys. I got a little bit of danger to report for this secret spot. You shouldn't come out here. I know you want to know where it is, but you should not come out here. Because if you do, something's going to up and bite you. How y'all doing? I got bit in my eye.
Some bit your eyeball, man.
Look at the difference. Is it showing?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the difference. So something up and bit me, and it's dangerous out here for me, for a fella. So I can't tell you where it is. I'm sorry. So just did some more droning. Hopefully the footage turned out okay. I tried it in sport mode and I almost crashed into a tree, but that's what I do. So the sun's going down. It's getting pretty tolerable here. Now the heat's kind of dissipating. The bugs out here are still pretty bad, but we are still having a good time. It's been relaxing. It's been calm. and it's just been a good day. Okay, everybody, I'm in my hammock. I got a pretty good lay. I think I got it perfect. It took me a while to finagle it, but pretty hot day today, but we persevered, and now there's no rain expected, so I'm not using the tarp. So I'm just gonna stare at the stars tonight with my one good eye, and we'll have coffee in the morning. Appreciate y'all coming along, and we'll see you in the morning for coffee. All right, Brian Carlson.
Yes, sir.
Carlson Adventures. Like and subscribe. What do you think of this place?
This is a gem. What a find. I mean, I'm sure you're going to show in your video all the surrounding areas, but with the pond to look at, it's just kind of an open meadow with pines and other trees that I can't identify.
Right. Do you if we were to disclose this, would you recommend it to people?
If you were going to disclose it, yes,
But
I
I'm
would
not.
recommend not disclosing right now. I mean, I'm sure people are going to watch a video and then they're local. They're like, oh, I know where that's at, and they'll be out here. But if you guys do find it, just do everybody a favor, clean up after yourself.
Keep it nice, yeah.
You were out here, last weekend and picked up garbage, and we found even more garbage this weekend from people being out, and that's what we're trying. That's why we don't want to post it all over YouTube and say, here it is, come and enjoy it, because half the people come and enjoy it, half the people enjoy it and trash it. So
yeah,
just keep it,
okay,
clean up after yourself, people.
Absolutely. John, what do you think?
2 thumbs up.
Way
Great
up.
place.
You only give one.
Okay.
Cool.
Yeah, it's quiet,
and that's on your high list.
Isolated.
I know. Yeah.
And those are the 2 big things that I look for in a place.
Awesome. All right. We're gonna pack up. John's packing up. He's gonna bug out a little early, but Brian and I are gonna pack up and head that long half-mile trip to the truck.
Yeah. What a hike.
All right, we are leaving this beautiful area. Had a great time. Little hot, little buggy, but overall I can't complain. Thank you all for watching if you've gotten this far, and enjoy the outdoors, man. Get out there and explore. We'll see you later. Peace.